Hi everyone and welcome to yet another Unacademy Educator story. This week, let us take you through the story of someone who has a knack for designing, has over 5 years of teaching experience and is always excited to find out what life has in store for her. We are talking about Navdeep Kaur. Navdeep comes from an extraordinary family. While her mother was a teacher in DAV School, Delhi, her dad was the world's first Sikh magician and brother the world's first Sikh puppet artist. Navdeep went to Lovely Public School, Delhi for her initial schooling. From 8th grade onwards, she went to Khalsa Royal Convent School, Delhi, completed 12th from the Government Girls Senior Secondary School in Delhi. She later went on to pursue her BCom from the Vivekananda College in Delhi University, during which she developed a great interest in the commerce field. She soon cleared her MCom entrance exam and got through Delhi School of Economics. During her MCom, she cleared NET JRF in her first attempt in 2014, along with writing a research paper on the value of social capital and FDI in multi-brand retail. Navdeep has always been a cheerful, optimistic person bubbling with energy. She loves interacting with new people and always has been the talkative one among her family members. Navdeep faced many personal troubles along the way. After college, she wasn't able to go out for work, but she always wanted to do something with her life. Through this time, her parents were very supportive. They made sure that she never felt insecure and boosted her morale whenever she felt so. Navdeep was great at dress designing. She thought that she could use that talent to reach out to many people. She just started her new channel. Through this, she was able to start a new lease of life while helping her family along the way. Her advice to everyone is always share everything with your parents, and if ever something goes wrong, they will be the first ones to help and support you. She came across Unacademy and decided that she wanted to create a difference and spread knowledge. Thus was the beginning of a career as an educator. Navdeep recalls it as a life-changing moment. Today, I can proudly say that my decision of joining Unacademy was correct and it has given a new purpose to my life, she says. Navdeep joined Unacademy as an educator in October 2017. Today, she has over 35.5k followers and more than 780,000 views from 53 courses. She teaches commerce to UGC and NET aspirants. Navdeep has also covered some lessons on banking and reasoning on the platform. Her heart wells up when people attribute their success to her lessons and guidance. She has given hope to a lot of learners who don't have the time to take physical classes because of their day jobs and prior commitments. Navdeep has had the will to grow out of her fears and show the entire world that it is one's courage that makes one shine even through dark times. It is this experience that helps her motivate her learners when they falter. Whenever she feels low, she views the comments and reviews given by her learners. And this is what a few of them have to say about her. Very easy and effective teaching and presentation style, says Rachna Rathore. Your lessons have helped me improve my concentration level, says Yash Tyagi. My preparation wouldn't have been complete without your courses, says Manju Maurya. For Navdeep, Unacademy is a world of opportunities. She believes that one doesn't have to step out of the house in order to create such a huge impact. Unacademy is able to bring the world together by connecting educators and learners from the convenience of their homes. Navdeep's consistency and precision in making lessons tailored to the needs of her learners has made her one of the most popular educators on the Unacademy platform. She keeps her content up to date and tries to resolve learners' queries through her lessons. Her goal is to grow further as one of the top educators of the country. She believes in her potential and her learners believe in her capability. To Navdeep, service to society is the best one can do to humanity. We wish Navdeep all the very best and hope that all her dreams turn into reality.